So guys, today we are still in Ukasa. Ukasa is a neighboring village in Muyenga, actually near Lozira. So we came to the well. I came to visit my friends, and in the next video actually we are going to prepare a very delicious meal. You will see. I don't want to steal exams for you. So we came to the well to fetch water. Hope you are going to enjoy this video. This is the local well that the people use here. The water is so nice actually. I know you have ever tasted this natural water. So nice. Enjoy the video. Guys, so we just reached at the well. So actually this is the well they use here, and we have come to fetch the water. So this lady said that during dry season sometimes water does not even come. Actually, that's why you can see it's now coming slowly.
There is something in the pipe back.
Yeah.
But all those four, it was bringing water.
So there are four. I had not even noticed.
There were four parts.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's now only one bringing
There
it.
is something which went wrong.
Hey. So guys, after walking all around the swamp, the shores of Lake Victoria, I feel like bathing or even washing my head. So thank God we came to the right place. Wow. So that place they didn't fill the pipe like this, so water is just dashing up from there.
Oh, water would do.
Okay. And then
That's why these ones are not bringing water. Because now maybe the problem is up. But all these falls used to bring water.
Okay.
Even I can see that still now. It's not starting to see that.
Mati la nyama. Ala wote moto moto. Leta bedi la kira hiyo mbele. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Just know that wherever you are watching this video from, if you watched it from the beginning up to the end, just know that Jabwel loves you so much. If you enjoy this kind of content, kindly click on that like button and the subscribe button so that you can support your village boy. Thank you. Bye bye.